In today's video, I will walk you through how to change transparency of drawings in AutoCAD. To begin, first select the object you want to change the transparency for, and check which layer it belongs to. Next, go to the command line, type Layer, and press Enter. This will open the Layer Properties Manager. Inside the Layer Properties Manager, find the layer that contains the object you selected earlier. Once you locate the correct layer, find the transparency setting. By default, it is usually set to 0. Click on the transparency value and change it to a number between 0 and 90. A lower number will make the objects less transparent, while a higher number will make them more transparent. After changing the value, the transparency setting will apply to all objects within that layer. If you want to apply a different transparency level to only one object, move that object to a different layer first. Then you can adjust the transparency settings for that new layer without affecting the other objects. And that's how to change transparency of drawings in AutoCAD. Thank you for watching the video.